Hi, this is King of Review. Here, we are asked to find the coefficient of x squared y to the 8th in the expansion of 3x plus y to the 10th power. Multiplying 3x plus y by itself 10 times would take a long time and have a good chance of making an error somewhere. Instead, we can use a shortcut called the binomial theorem, named for the fact that 3x plus y is a binomial. It has two terms. The binomial theorem says that when we expand a binomial raised to a power, we will have several terms. If we want the nth term, we need to do we will take 10, the power, choose n, where choose here is the combinations formula, and that will be multiplied by a to the 10 minus n times b to the n, where here a is the first term of the binomial, 3x, and b is the second term, y. So this is the formula for the nth term when you're raising a binomial to the 10th power. That's where these 10s come from. We want the coefficient of x squared y to the 8th. So first let's write this in terms of x and y. The nth term will be 10cn times 3x to the 10 minus n times y to the n. If we want x squared times y to the 8th, that means we need n to be 8, and if n is 8 here, then 10 minus 8 will be 2. So we'll have x to the power 2, y to the power 8, which means we need n to be 8. We need the 8th term, 10c8 times 3x to the second times y to the 8th. So let's expand this out. We need to do 10c8 first. If you're trying to do combinations, here's the formula for combinations. If you do n choose r, that's n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So if we want 10c8, that's equal to 10 factorial over 8 factorial times 10 minus 8 factorial. Well, let's see here. 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 all the way down to 1. 8 factorial is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 all the way down to 1. Both of those have in common 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If we cancel out everything from 8 down to 1, all we're left with in the numerator is the 10 times 9 part. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, which is 2. So this is 45. So our term will be 45 times, we have to distribute the 2 to the 3 and the x, so we get 3 squared times x squared times y to the 8th. So if we want the coefficient, we need 45 times 3 squared, which is 45 times 9, which is 405. So there's the coefficient of x squared times y to the 8th. Thanks for watching.